Hello, everybody. So, just to provide you a little bit of context, I decided to learn mobile application development, some things related to technical writing, to community management, to open source. For me personally, I need a project, a real project to attach my knowledge to the practice. So I decided to create a little mobile application which allow users to pin some notes on the map. So associate some text message and photo with location data and build it in public, open source the code, and let's see what I can learn with it. What's the first thing to do with the project to start is to choose a project name. So I prepared some description, and I think we can use different artificial intelligence services just to find the name for this project or product for application. Okay, so here I prepared some set of services. So let's go category by category. The first one is idea category. This one I just wanted to show you. It's not any generator or assistant, but it's just a website, Ideas AI, with ideas generated by artificial intelligence, where people vote actually for ideas. So I think if you need some inspiration, you can go here and to find an idea for your project for learning purposes or for like a real startup. Okay. So the next one is idea validator. Okay. So here it's a very simple. It's like I want to start a business that to do something. Here I will just use I want to let's make it a business idea. I'm not going to commercialize it, but let's imagine I want to sell a mobile application that allows users to register and users can buy it on App Store and Google Play. Okay. So and let's click on the give me the feedback. Let's see what we can do. So, as we see, there are some issues or problems. There is no guarantee that people will want to use your app. Okay. And maybe there are some similar products. So I have not done any market research. I cannot answer. This app is 100% for me to learn. To follow actually the progress, you can follow me on Twitter, and the links will be in the description to this video. Your business idea has potential, but there are a few things you should consider. Okay. So be carefully with user experience. How to monetize the app. or will offer in-app purchase. No subscription. I just want to sell the app, as I described, as I was thinking when I describing this idea. I was thinking that you just paid app. That's all. You need to make sure your app stands out from the competition. Unique features. Okay, so maybe we will in the future we will see which unique features we can provide. Okay, I think it's pretty comprehensive. So it was a idea validator and a decision making service, decision analysis service, and I already played there. One limitation, which are here, it's 300 characters to explain what you are decided to do actually. I use two methods. One is pros and cons, and another one is SWOT analysis. So in pros and cons, I describe like I will learn mobile application development by building the project, and I put the description of the project here as a long one. So the pros is that there is a potential to create a useful product, learn new skill, and opportunity to work with others. Okay, so drop your comments here, your recommendations, any feedback. So I will learn with you together. For cons, there is a risk of failure. Anyway, I think I will learn something. So I don't feel any risk of failure, but I agree that it's a time commitment, and I will limit myself for the time. So I will allocate not more than 1-2 hours per day for this. There are some costs, but it's okay, I think. I will not really invest in it, but I am testing different tools, so maybe I will pay for them. Like this, I'm testing the Loom to record screen, so we will see. I have a 14 days trial. Strengths here is so here I am in the SWOT analysis. I rephrase it a little bit different. I've learned mobile application development in public by building a real open source project. Okay, and here what we have as a strength: learn from others. So again, real world experience and reputation. Opportunities is flexible schedule and work from anywhere. So we will not gain anything from the let's say commercial benefits. So weaknesses is require motivation. I agree, and I hope I will able to stand and to complete this project, at least few versions. May not be paid. It's not paid. It's not paid. It's a time consuming. So as we have seen here in the cons, and we can add actually not be paid in the cons as well. Here additionally to the cost of the materials. So definitely we will have a negative direct profit, let's say. The threats competition. As I said, I have not done any market research for this kind of applications. I'm not interested if even if it exists some new applications. I think there are not too much open source React Native applications, so it will be a nice use case for React Native, I think, and no guarantee of success. Okay, I think if I will learn something, it's already a success. So let's go further for product description. This is a nice thing. Um, you can generate a product description from the keywords. And here you need like to be precise, like mobile application, notes with pinned to map, um, messages with issues, let's say street issues, reports, attached photos, and etc. etc. Let's generate product description from those keywords. So introducing the newest mobile application. I like the positive attitude. And oh, it's generated a project name already, Map Notes. So this is one of the first versions. Let's note it somewhere here. I will create like names. Map Notes. Okay. Map Notes is a perfect solution for those who need an easy way to keep track of notes and locations. With Map Notes, you can pin notes to maps, attach photos, and even send messages with the street issues reports. Okay. With Map Notes, you can easily keep track of all your important location notes right in the palm of your hand. Okay. I think it's a really like energetic description. But let's actually go to the main section here, the naming AI. And here we have ChatGPT, but let's use ChatGPT in the guided way. So we have already some prepared prompts and FlowGPT in the gallery with those prompts. And here we can business. I misspelled business. Okay, please double S. So the search here is not really contextual, so be careful. Business name, I was wrong. Product name. Okay, so let's do a product name. And here we have a prompt. So we just, I suppose we need just to copy paste it to ChatGPT and we will see what will happen. Okay, so let's copy it. I want to activate the product name generator. I will give you a brief description. The name should be original and not already in use by another product, avoiding user abbreviations and numbers in the names. Okay. So let's set up the initial configuration. Next. Receive of a new mobile application. Of a new mobile application. Okay. And here I can copy this description, put here, and set it to okay. Here's 3 unique and catchy names for your mobile application. So do we have anything else? Yeah, so let's ask to provide some more names. Certainly. So GeoNodes, MapMaker, Localits, Pinpoint, Map Memos, let's put something like could you provide really good names for publish this application in App Store and Google Play. Let's challenge pin drop, geomap, map mates, but not local logs. Okay. Okay. So let's copy it. I will come back. So here we already have like 14 different names. Let's go to other services. I will close everything as is. So Jungle World Maker. Let's try it. So here I will copy again all my description. Okay, we have limit. All data stored local. Yeah, I think it's enough. And I need to create my account. So I will come back. So I created an account on Quasi. And I will use not the name generator, but Jungle World Maker. So it should create like not existing world for ourselves. And I put a description of the application as a word definition. So let's try. Oh, GeoNodes. And we have it already. It was the first proposition from ChatGPT. Can we do more? No. No, I don't like it. If I click generate again, Turkify. Okay, let's put it Turkify. Generate. Map nerd. Okay, great. Generate. Notability. It exists already, so now generate again. The last one. Locatory. Okay, let's put it like this. Okay, let's move on to another service. Close this one. What's next? Product name generator. You know what I will do? I will put all these like a toggle list. To-do list, sorry. Turn into to-do list. Yeah, so ChatGPT is done. Oh, yeah, ChatGPT is done. This one is done. Product name generator, also in Quasi. So let's put the product description there as it is. We have also the limit of on the count of characters, but it's okay. So let's generate mapping up. No, it's not creative at all. Sprout maps. Okay, why not? I think we did not have this. Okay, let's use like 2 more times. place notes. Okay, and one time again. Last one, notability. Yeah, it's notability already existed. So let's notes in the cloud. No. Okay, let's move to the next one. This one is done. Slogan generator. We have them on the Frase IO. So let's copy our product description here. Hit generate. We don't need to register here. I like it. So attributes, local organization, data items, data ethos. This product is designed to help local organizations collect issues and feedback on public spaces. We believe that sharing feedback is a safe and secure environment. We can make communities better place to work, making your community better. Okay, I think it's not bad. No? Like AI descriptions, and I will put it there. If I click load more, what will happen? Okay, I think it's enough for us. So let's go to the next service. But it was a nice slogan. And business name. So we already used Lucia AI for product description. Now let's use the same keywords and to get the business name. Okay. Mobile application, maps, location. Let's do PNet notes. Messages with location, formation, attached photos, and I don't know, GPS reports, something like this. Generate geo pins. Okay, generate again. Geo nodes, we already seen this. Geo pins. Geo pins are like S. Geo nodes we already seen. Let's do it 2 times more and wow. Wow. Okay, geo node Mapify, Logspire, Lowcast, Pin GPS, GPS Snap. Okay. Last time geo node. Okay. It's like okay. I don't know why in one time it gave us like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 variants. But okay, thank you for generosity. Brand name generator, Nichesss.com. Okay, let's try it. So of course I'm using all the trials. Okay, I need to register here, so I will come back. So it's I registered, and as I said, I'm using only trials and free tools. What it's asking me for the project name to generate project name. My project. So I suppose it will just save the request there. Yeah, it's a band name. I don't know. Do we have like a, yeah, we have a business name. Do we have a product name? Products, product description, tagline, generate product ideas. Let me move me somewhere here. Products, question, real estate sales. Yeah, so let's see, use better the business name. Okay, business name here. Okay. So what the business does? Let's copy our description here. We can choose the tone. Let's be realistic. Get content. Spot on notes, pin down data, post map, geolocator, cloudgram, place spotting. It's not bad, actually. I like it. So let's put it to the list of our names. Okay, it was Nichesss.com. Yeah, I used a link to the band name generator, but there is actually the business name generator as well. And you can choose different languages. Maybe we can try like a Spanish. Save. Get content. Yeah, my prompt not in the Spanish, so I don't know if it will work. Let my nose pin drop data. Yeah. Coloc la nota. Este datos de mapeo. Geonotas. Okay. Let's put it here as well. Let's move to the next service. Namelix. So generate brandable names. Let's set brand. Okay, brandable names. Compound words. Okay, we cannot choose multiple options here. But brandable names. Okay, next. Select generation randomness. Like medium. I don't want to be like. It's better to have a name which is, especially for educational project, which has some relationships with the actual idea. Brand info, mobile business description. Let's set description here. We prepared. Okay. Generate. Oh my god! And even it's proposed. Okay, it's hard to copy the name from here, but let's pick some. Actually, I'm not sure that it's artificial intelligence, but no, okay. Spect text and app and for Singing Labs native format pictures in trace option tracking. No, I think it's too hard. Locate is Pixfeed spec map. Let's take the name Locatis. But yeah, it can create a logo. Name style. But is it an AI or like randoms? Business name generator. Yeah, sorry, it's. I think it's not an AI, real AI. But let's add some name here. Locatis. Locatis. Okay. And domain name generator. It has an AI in the domain name because the spell the minute right. So let's. I will try to create an account here, but if I need to pay right away, I will not use it. Yeah, unfortunately, I registered here, but it's asking us to pay right away. So I will not use it. Okay. A name Genie. So let's move to the next one. Name Genie and Vondy AI. So number of ideas 10, industry, technology, AI, open source. A number of words, 1, style, geeky, okay, I like it, include domain, yes. And I suppose I can put the description here. Up, run. Okay, I need to register, so I will come back. Yeah, so we are back. Here I registered. Yeah, it removed my description, so. And let's description of product like this, and here open source mobile apps. Let's run it. Let's see. Geeky map. So if it's geeky, it's a geeky everything. Oh no. Style, creative. Run. Okay. This is better. Pinit tag might be fine. Geodata, pinpoint, local data, map cram. Okay. Not bad. I will check. Pinify. I like it. Okay, this was the name Genie by Vondy. And copy AI name generator. The last one. We have already more than 30 minutes of recording. I was thinking it will be much faster, but it's okay. So it's a name generator. I'm already registered on Copy AI, so let's copy paste our description again here. Create content. Spatial node, place node, geo nodes, public nodes, map this, localize me, place tag. It's actually it's a good result. Maplizer, spatialing, pinwall, sticky bits, special. Yeah. Something I already seen with the sticky bits log. Okay. Make more. I'm just curious. Okay, so the second result is less interesting. See, I think Sherrick Spain not to stage pinup. Limbolio. Copy all results. I will put them to the list. Okay. I think it's a big list. I think I need an AI to actually to choose a name from the list. Okay, we've done with naming. There are some services for logo making and branding. And so I think let's try to put all those names to ChatGPT to ask what it thinks about what actually is the best name for the ChatGPT. Okay, so let's copy paste all the name here. I will write choose the best mobile application name from the list, which I will send in the next message. And maybe I will add act as a, I don't know, as a experienced user who loves maps, and choose the best mobile application name from the list, which I will send in the next message. Up. Hola. Pinpoint map pinpoint GPC-Fi GeoNode Mapify AI. Those names could you be more creative? Sure. Navnation. But it's like it's generated way way more local length marker. Okay, spot hive trail wait that pick only one, but the best and unique. What do you think? Carto Crush. It is a memorable but catchy name. Carto Crush. It wasn't the list. Assumed my place wiki. Coyote. A coyote it exists. Okay, localize me. Place not, special not. Mapify, pinpoint. Map and pinify. Geomotus. Carto Crush. Okay, let me think a minute and I will come back with the name. So I checked a few names and I have not found anything about Maplizer. So I think Maplizer is okay. I also checked my Plizer on GitHub, and there is nothing. So I think it's a perfect name. Users. There is a user MapLizer. It's interesting, but I think it's okay, MapLizer. So I will call my project MapLizer, and I think it's okay. So now we have a project name MapLizer. Let's try build some logos and brands. I will close all the tabs. So here, logo maker, my company name. So MapLizer, and let's make a logo. Mobile application. Perfect. Continue. Pick some logos you like. Okay. I don't know. I like this one. This one is okay. You can comment my taste. Which logos you've picked, put in the comments on YouTube. If you are still watching until this moment. Yeah, this one with horses is good. This one. Yeah, I like thin lines, old-fashioned logos, maybe like coffee. Just okay, continue. I would like a teal one, or grayscale and orange, I think. Something like this. Add slogan. Let's put. No, I don't want. It's okay, just a name. Pick some symbol types. Take mountain. Internet. For search for symbol map. Oh my god. Yeah, it's not really. It's more like a generator. But let's check something like this, map pin. I don't know, like this. Note. And something like a message. So continue. Let's see what we can get. Wow. Yeah, it's more like a generator, and it's not an AI service. Okay. I do not like it too much. So let's switch to the next one. I will do the same here as I did with the naming. I will convert it to the to-do list. I think it's also logo generator, but it's not an AI. MapLizer mobile application. I like scene, yeah, MapLizer. This one. This one. This one. Oof, teal. I don't want that as any slogan. Yeah, it's more like a generator. Haha. Map. Search. Let's use one of these. Note. Message. Okay, what we have here. My placer. Wow. Oh, I don't like it. So, no, generators, I don't like it. Yeah. So, make logo, it has an I in the name. Okay. This is project name. This is a project description. Logo requirements. I don't know. Creative, mobile application, can be used as an icon for application, unique. Which colors we want? I don't know, tail or like gold colors. Okay. Okay, next step. We don't have any trial. Okay, we will not use this one. Yeah, so if we need to pay, it's not a commercial project, I will not pay. And my caps with AI in 2 minutes. Okay, I like it. I like the promise. So let's do it. I need a logo for my player. Select mobile. City. No. Urbanism. Open. Map. Which industry? Wow. Community foundation organization. Energy event planter. Okay, community. Let's do it. Name, icon, initial. Let's do a name. We don't have any slogan. Choose 5 styles. I like this one. Like this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do this one. Okay, next. Select the color. Color tone. Okay, brown, violet, blue. I like the idea with the tail. They don't have no. Winter. Let's do it in cold tones. Next. Oh no. How much? 5 best. I need to load more. I'm struggling. Maplizer. Okay, this 1, 2, 3. 5. This one. Next. Okay, I need to register. I need to register here, so I will come back. Okay, now we can continue. You successfully created project Maplizer. Pick one. Let's pick this one. Edit. I don't really like it. Buy and the slogan more. Okay. Back. If we going to create an icon, Maplizer, get started, icon, community, next. Okay, it could be a little bit more interesting. Let's check. I like this one. This one simple, it's not too bad as well. Cube is okay. This one. I like this one. I don't know. Okay. Winter. But why it was written AI and now it's 5 symbols? Okay, let's do map. Like this. Pin. Let's try like this one. Mapping message. And not. I hope it will not just generate, but the mix of text and icons I choose, but to actually modify them somehow. I don't see if it's like AI or just a random generator. Note. Let's use this one. Let's do location. Okay, something like this. Next. Oh no, it's just mixing, and I still need to choose. It's more like a generator. I don't understand where is artificial intelligence here. But this one is not too bad. Maplizer. I download. Okay, if I want to download, I have to pay. Okay. Do we have something else in the list? Okay, we try this brand mark tools. Logo rank. Upload your logo. Multi-logo for use. Info icons. Font generator. Yeah, to download it, I have to pay. Edit. Let's take a screenshot. Okay, up. And I will upload it to the logo rank. So it's uploading. Let's see. Apply the legibility. A strong, bold silhouette. Okay. Color contrast. Overall. Ultimately, these are simple rules of thumb. Okay. We found 100. So it does not have it does not have a transparent background. So my logo was identified like a sticker. Okay. Yeah, you need really, I think, upload a logo with a transparent background here. Okay. I think we can try a slide generator for Google Slides, watch a video. So here I will try to use the slides AI.io. What's the pricing I have for the free account? We have 3 presentations per month and limited to this amount of input. But how many slides we can do? I don't know. Replace existing slides. Let's do like, I don't know, 15 minutes presentation. I will put this. Project name, project description, project is going to be open source. Project is serving for learning purposes and built in public. I don't know. We strongly invite collaborators to join and share their feedback. Something like this. Create slides. Let's see. What will happen. Okay. Understood. So we will wait. So Maplizer, an open source mobile application. An overview. Maplizer overview. Mobile application allowing user to register. 3 types of data items. Photo formatting features. Projects can be open source, serving for learning purposes, built in public. Invitation to collaborate. Okay. Data storage. A local organizational use. Local organizations. Okay. Thank you for your time and attention. And I think it's a good slide to finish this video. We've done all the services. I've put it in my list. There is Notion AI, some other artificial intelligence tools for writing content, but I will not use them today because everything was focused around the project name today. So I hope this video is not too long. And if you stayed until the end, thank you. And follow me on Twitter and subscribe to YouTube channel. And put your comments, replies, send me direct messages if you have any feedback. Thank you.